Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you're not receiving verification codes on your iPhone. This can happen when you're trying to log into apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, or other services that send a verification code through text message. If the code isn't arriving, I'll walk you through several settings you can check to fix the issue. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Then navigate to Messages. Inside this section, there are a few important settings that can affect whether you receive verification code messages or not. The first thing you can try is resetting iMessage. Simply turn iMessage off, wait for about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on again. When you enable it again, you may see a message that says waiting for activation. After a moment, it should activate normally. Doing this helps refresh the messaging service in case there was a temporary issue. Next, look for the option called Send as SMS or Resend as Text Message. Make sure this option is turned on. Verification codes are usually sent as regular SMS text messages rather than iMessages, so enabling this option ensures your phone can receive those messages properly. After that, scroll down a little further and check Filter Unknown Senders. If this feature is turned on, your iPhone may automatically filter messages from numbers that are not in your contacts. Many verification codes come from automated systems or short numbers, so it's best to turn the setting off to make sure those messages appear in your main inbox. Another thing to check is your blocked contacts list. Still inside the Messages settings, tap Blocked Contacts and review the numbers you have blocked. Sometimes verification codes are sent from short numbers or automated senders. If any of those numbers are blocked, your iPhone won't receive the message. You can tap Edit and remove any number you think might be blocking verification codes. You should also check that Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is not enabled. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center and make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. If it's active, notifications and text alerts may be silenced, which can make it seem like the verification code never arrived. Finally, if you still haven't received the code, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume up button together until the power menu appears. Then slide to power off your device. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on again. Restarting your phone can often fix temporary network or messaging glitches. After checking all of these settings, you should be able to receive verification code messages normally and log back into your account. I hope this video helped you fix the problem. If you still have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming tips and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.